Got a minute? Let's explore Indonesia's jaw-dropping scenery. Fasten your seatbelt. From the lush, emerald-green rice terraces of Bali to the crystal-clear waters of the Chile Islands, Indonesia is a feast for the eyes. Imagine standing at the edge of the majestic Bromo volcano, feeling the earth tremble beneath your feet, or drifting along the serene waters of Lake Toba, the largest volcanic lake in the world. And don't forget the exotic wildlife in Komodo National Park, home to the legendary Komodo dragon. Each island is a paradise waiting to be discovered. So, whether you're an adventurer, a nature lover, or just in need of a stunning Instagram post, Indonesia has something magical for you. Pack your bags and let the adventure begin. Discover Indonesia's stunning landscapes today. You won't regret it.